Okay, what's good, gang? In today's video, we're gonna be making some more beats for Drake. I know I just dropped a video for all the dogs, but he did the Scary Hours 3, and I can't even lie. I've been listening to the Scary Hours 3 more than the regular album. You know what I'm saying? This Drake right here, I personally like this type of Drake, man. Drake got many type of bags that he get in, okay? And the disrespectful, you know what I'm saying, just talking to people, talking at people, because he's not talking to nobody, he's just talking to the general public. But it's very disrespectful and classical. It's my type of stuff, like, you know what I'm saying? So in this video, I'm gonna be making a beat similar to, oh yeah, thank y'all for 150 subscribers. Man, that shit is incredible, goddamn. So anyway, you know, what would Pluto do? You know, I think it's like the red button or the wick man. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put the song that I'm aiming for right here. Okay. But yeah, man. Here we go. Okay. As you can see, I got 10% on my phone, on my pad, and see if I can make it. But first we're gonna start off with the sample I used here, and it goes like something unstretched.
Slow down, get ready for round two. Just enjoy the ride and the view. That's you in the zone, that's you in the mood. Let me do my.
Nah, I did do processing. Like, this not the raw sample. I kind of put a little processing on there, which is and of course it sounds like a bus or something that's passing right now. Never fails, but as you can see, I got a pitch shift on here, I got a phaser, I got a delay, and I got an equalizer on there. And basically, that's mainly the only processing I have, and that's just to cut out the lows on the sample. You know what I'm saying? I got the delay just to fill up some more space, put that stereo on, that's what kind of fill up more space. And the phaser is the thing that's giving it that little, little worldly sound, like, you know what I'm saying? It's just little subtle stuff here and there that just make it everything. So I'm gonna turn off all of these right quick. Let me see if I could, I'm gonna turn off them all, so you can hear the difference. Cause in this one, I really just sample. I don't think I pitched nothing down, nothing. I just went with the move, and this is how it regularly sounds.
Every time I drop the note, you slow down, get ready for round two. Just enjoy the ride and the view.
Okay, see, real dry. Put everything else back on now. And this is like the only processing I got on the whole beat is this one. And that sound like this. And that little part at the beginning, I'm not using that. That's not the, it's the, for the sample start that right here.
Every time I drop the note, you slow down, get ready for round two.
You see, it's kind of like phasing through both both sides of the headphones, and that's just the little texture and shit that be making everything sound just that much better. It don't, like I said, it don't be a lot of stuff. People be thinking a lot of stuff be being done to make beats, but it's a lot of little things that happen, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, the reason why I made these videos is just to show you that how effective and how portable and just you can really cook up with the iPad, bro. That's just my main purpose, bro. Right now I got an iPad mini running, I think, iOS 17. That's the latest iOS firmware. And I could literally just take this beat right here and I could plug my pad up with the, you got the the USB-C port and shit, and I could just plug this shit right up into the damn interface and be cooking in the studio, bro. So I'm just like, that's just the main point, bro. You don't need a whole, you do, but you don't, you know what I'm saying, to cook up. You don't need a lot to cook up, bro, and that's just my whole thing, man. So once again, we could go back to the main part, and I got a lot of ear candy. That's one of the hi-hats I got at the beginning. They give you this. You gotta put together, so that's, and I got the, you know what I'm saying, just to, for my intro. Then I come in with the 808. And then the beat actually comes in. Okay, so as you can see, that's my snare. Got the hi-hat I use.
You're saying all the time, care, and effort I put into Christmas was really just a selfish ego trip.
Yeah, I don't know what that it is. I would just be sampling shit, but that's the hi-hat. More hi-hats. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is gonna be a little short one, you know what I'm saying? I know I ain't posting a couple weeks, man. A lot's been going on in my life, but no one cares about that type of shit because everybody got shit going on in their life. So this is a little short one right here, man. I'm gonna probably be doing a Logic video, or if I should do a Beatmaker 3 video. Now, I haven't touched on Beatmaker 3 yet. I got Koala Sampler. I have Logic Pro or iPad type beats, 5%. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I got Logic Pro and Koala Sampler on here. I need to bring some Beatmaker 3 content, which I'm probably gonna do on the next one. But like I said, man, this right here was inspired by that Scary Hours 3. Like I said, I'm about to just play the rest of the video. Well, I'm gonna just play this, let you know I ain't got no AI on here or nothing. I ain't saying about no AI. Well, thank you for 150 subscribers. And man, I appreciate everything, man. I'm not trying, I'm gonna keep on making these videos. I know I kinda had like a little couple of weeks, stay in between where I haven't uploaded, but just know I got some more stuff coming, man. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your attention, and man, y'all be safe out there, man.